Hi, this is Juan Martinez, Senior Product Manager, and I'm here with the build-up kit that we're showing for the first time here at NAB 2014. It allows you to convert an F5 or 55 into a portable camera, ENG style, EFP style camera. We've made it so that it can simply dock to this build-up kit with 2 screws on the bottom. It takes about 3 minutes to do that, to put the camera in or take it out. And it puts all the controls exactly where the camera operator is used to find them. So the muscle memory of the camera operator knows to find these controls in these locations. And let's take a tour of the camera. So up front we have the gain, the white balance, the bars. We also added some assignable buttons, and this is new. We've relocated the audio monitoring selection switches to the front because while we were doing our research, we found that sometimes if there's RF interference or some buzz, they want to be able to quickly change and see which channel has the interference. The camera has a very comfortable shoulder pad that is fully adjustable front to back, simply with a simple latch. And in the front, we have controls that are very familiar to the camera operators. For example, shutter, black balance and white balance, record, start, stop, a dial for writing the audio level while you're shooting. And something new to this type of camera is we have 15mm rods, because it is possible to use this build-up rig not only with traditional ENG style lenses, but also with film style lenses, PL mount lenses. If we look here on the rear, we see the audio level controls for recording, setting the audio level, and switches for selection and assignment of the audio channel. So this is very familiar to any ENG camera operator. There is a receptacle for the Sony wireless receiver. And if we look in the rear, this is also very familiar. So instead of having the XLR connectors coming out of the side of the camera, they've been relocated to the rear. There's a 5-pin XLR. There's a 4-pin DC input. 2 3-pin XLRs, it could be AES, EBU, or analog, with all the associated switches to it. There's a 4-pin Hirose DC out, and another one on the side, plus a D-tap. And if we look at the camera from this side, you can see it's very clean, nothing hanging out the side. And this is a 5-pin XLR audio input on the front. The system draws very little power, it's less than 3 watts. So the camera, plus the viewfinder, plus the rig, will be somewhere around, just around 30 watts altogether. And another nice touch is the handle. So the handle is long enough that the operator always has a position where it can comfortably carry the camera well balanced to the existing lens. And finally, this little cylindrical protrusion on the back of the handle allows you to relocate the viewfinder on the rear. So if you want to operate the camera with the viewfinder on the rear, it just simply moves it from this location over to this location.